Have you ever wondered why it's tricky to get someone you like to notice you? In the past, people believed expressing love and always trying to be close were the keys to winning someone's heart. But things have changed, and now some folks seem to effortlessly attract great romantic interests. Let's explore these secrets, and by the end, you'll know better about making girls chase you. 1. Don't keep chasing. If you're always trying hard to be with someone, it might not work well. People usually like what they don't have, but if you're always around, it's not as special. Chasing too much can lead to them saying no, and it might make you lose respect for yourself. Instead of always being with them, try spending some time alone. This might make the person miss you and want to be with you more. 2. Compliment smartly. Saying nice things is good, but saying too many nice things might seem like you're trying too much. Compliments should be more than just about looks. Stand out by appreciating things like their personality or humor. These compliments are more meaningful than just talking about how someone looks. Saying these things in your conversations, not just privately, makes a stronger connection. 3. Show your values. In a world where many people don't respect themselves and lack purpose, being different is important. While many understand they need to get better, only a few actually do something about it. Facing challenges is a personal battle, and being disciplined is crucial. Acting desperate can make others not want to be with you. If you don't think highly of yourself, why should others? Focus on getting better, achieving your goals, and let romance happen as a bonus. Be someone people value. Go after your dreams instead of just trying to be with someone. Know your strengths, be great, and with the right attitude, good things will happen. 4. Stay neutral. When you like someone, it's easy to only see the good things about them. But this might not be good in the long run. It's important not just to attract but also to connect genuinely. Check if you're compatible, not just focused on the good stuff. Using your mind to think about the good and not so good things is healthier in the long run. 5. Keep your options open. Realize that thinking someone is super special is just a way you see things. Putting someone on a pedestal gives them too much control over your feelings. Believing that one person is the only one for you can be bad for personal progress and normal social life. Human connections are essential, but only focusing on one person limits your experiences. Since there are so many people, is one person really that exceptional? If you're not sure, she might not be as unique as you think. No one is worth losing your self-worth and respect for. Always try to be better, work hard every day, and use your mind, not just your heart, to avoid confusion. Ignore advice that's just trying to get money from desperate people. Know the difference between harmless actions and truly good behavior. If you found this helpful, let me know by commenting 100. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips from 1% Men.